Hi and welcome back to Greenstone and Ivy. Can you see that? That's my breath, it's so cold. One of my friends asked me for a nip over the Snake Pass this morning over to Glossop. It was -7.5 on top over there. The views are beautiful. Actually, I'll put some pictures on for you to see. They were really nice. We stopped and just had a minute on the top, so there's a little bit of snow on top. Really nice. So I don't know if any of you remember, but a couple of months back I made a Sheffield United badge for a local fella, carved onto a piece of Yorkshire stone. Well, I showed it to one of the lads on the 5-star football on Tuesday night, Ronnie, and he's asked me if I'll do a Man United one. I've been putting it off because I don't have time at the minute, but with this cold weather sitting, rather than defrost all the stone on the dry stone wall I've been doing, what you've been watching me, I thought I'd make this for Ronnie. So I've just prepped, this is a piece of Derbyshire stone. We've not managed to get a piece of stone what we come from a quarry near Manchester. So I was going to try and get a piece of stone from a quarry in Glossop, which is still Derbyshire, a little bit closer, but it's a little bit too gritty. So I've gone for this Derbyshire stone. Lovely stone, we've used it many times, you've seen me use it loads of times. So I've marked this on. What I'll do, I'll put on the screen now some pictures of me doing the stencil mark, cutting the stencil out, marking it on the stone so you don't have to watch it all. It's a bit of a process with these. So instead of using the Cricut machine, they have to be printed out into 4, stuck on the piece of card, and then cut out with the Stanley knife. So anyway, we've got it all marked on the stone. Not fully decided on what levels we're going to carve it all out. I think we'll just get going and see how things turn out. So I'm just about to sharpen some chisels up, and then we'll get doing a bit of carving. That's it, all finished up. I've just cleaned it up. I'll put this to one side now, let it dry out. I've just cleaned the workbenches down, got the airline out, had a good tidy up, put all the chisels away, and now I'm off home to get warm. It's absolutely freezing. I've just been outside there, it's -4 now, so definitely ready to go home. I'll get a shower. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.